Welcome to my channel Maths Pursuit. Today we will look into the questions from the chapter called Linear Equations in One Variable. The given question is solve the following linear equation, and the given equation is 15 into y minus 4 minus 2 into y minus 9 plus 5 into y plus 6 is equal to 0. So guys, let us see how we can solve the given linear equation. Here question has given us this equation. Here question has given us 15 into y minus 4, 15 into y minus 4 minus 2 into y minus 9, 2 into y minus 9 plus 5 into y plus 6 is equal to 0. Question has given us this equation here. Question has given us 15y minus 4 minus 2y minus 9 plus 5y plus 6 is equal to 0. And question is asking us to do two things here. Question is asking us here to do two things. One is simplify the given equation, and the other one is solve the equation. So question is asking us to simplify and solve the equation. Now let us start and do our simplification or solve the equation. Whatever it may be, we are going to follow the same thing. Whether it is simplify or solve, both are the same thing. If we are going to simplify means we are going to solve the equation. Both are same. If we are solving the equation means we are simplifying the things, and only we can solve the equation. Both are same. So let us see. The question has given us 15 into y minus 4. Question has given us 15 into y minus 4 minus 2 into y minus 9 plus 5y plus 6. 5 into y plus 6 is equal to 0. Question has given us this thing. Now let us multiply. So we can write, that means we are going to multiply this 15 to y first and then this 15 to 4. Similarly 2 to y and then 2 to 9. Similarly 5 to y and 5 to 6. Let us do those things first. So I can write now 15y means 15y minus 60. 15 into 4 is 60 minus 2y plus 18. How? Minus 2 into y is minus 2y, minus 2 into minus 9 is plus 18. Plus 5y plus 30. How? 5 into y is 5y, 5 into 6 is 30 is equal to 0. Or I can write, let us get all the variables, all the numbers having the variables together and then all the constant numbers together. Let us do that here in this step. 15y minus 2y plus 5y. Then will come minus 60 plus 18 plus 30 is equal to 0. Guys, why I did so? So that it would be easy for solving this equation without making any errors. I brought all the y's together, or all the variables having y together and all the constant numbers together, so that it would be easy for us to solve this equation without making any errors. Or I can write, 15y minus 2y is 13y. 13y plus 5y is 18y. 18y minus minus 60 plus 18. Minus 60 plus 18 is 42. Minus 16 plus 18 is 42. Minus 42 plus 30 is minus 12. Minus 12 is equal to 0. Or I can write 18y is equal to 12. What I did here, I just moved this minus 12 to the right side of the equation. That means transposing minus 12 from left hand side to right hand side. And guys, we very well know that if you move a number to one side, from one side to the other, its symbol changes or its sign changes. So similar thing happened here. When I moved a negative 12 from left hand side to the right hand side, it became positive. Or I can write 18y divided by 18 is equal to 12 divided by 18. What I am doing here? I am dividing. I am dividing both sides. I am dividing both sides by 18. What I am doing here? I divided both sides by 18. Why I divided both sides by 18? So that I can eliminate this 18 from y. In order to eliminate this 18 from y, I need to divide this 18 by 18. For that reason, I have divided both sides. If I am dividing something to the left side of the equation, I should also do the same thing to the right side of the equation. So I can write, or this 18 cancels out. I am left with y. Y is equal to 3 4s are 12, 3 6s are 18. This is what I am getting. Or directly I can do like this: 6 2s are 12, 6 2s are 12, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18. So what we got here? We got here y is equal to 2 upon 3. Guys, this is our answer. We got the value of y as 2 upon 3. We got the value of y as 2 upon 3. 2 upon 3. Now guys, let us check our answer. We got our answer as y is equal to 2 upon 3. But let us check our answer whether this y is equal to 2 upon 3 is correct or not. How to check our answer? In order to check our answer, let us rewrite the given equation once again. Let us rewrite the given equation once again so that we can check our answer. The given equation is, what is the given equation? The given equation is 15 into y minus 4, 15 into y minus 4 minus 2 into y minus 9, 2 into y minus 9 plus 5 into y plus 6. This is the given equation. Now, this is the given equation that is equal to 0. Now guys, let us replace the value of y. Let us replace the value of y here. So what can we do, or what we will get if we replace the value of y? Let's see. Or I can write, let us replace the value of y, because we are going to solve the left side of the equation. Why? Because right side of the equation is 0. Now let us solve the left side of the equation, which is 15 into y. The value of y is 2 upon 3 minus 4 upon 1. 4 means 4 upon 1 minus 2 into 2 upon 3 minus 9 upon 1. 9 means 9 upon 1 I am writing. Plus 5 into 2 upon 3 plus 6 upon 1 is equal to 0. Or I can write, what I can write? Or I can write 15 into 2 upon 3 minus 4 upon 1. Let us make this denominator 3, because our highest value here is denominator is 3. How we can make denominator 3? We need to multiply the numerator and denominator with 3. So 4 into 3 divided by 1 into 3 minus 2 into 2 upon 3 minus 9 into 3, same thing here, 9 into 3 divided by 1 into 3 plus 5 into 2 upon 3 plus 6 into 3 divided by 1 into 3, that is equal to 0. Or I can write 15 into 2 upon 3 minus 12 upon 3 minus 2 into 2 upon 3 minus 27 upon 3 plus 5 into 2 upon 3 plus 18 upon 3 is equal to 0. Or we can find out whether this left hand side is 0 or not. Let us omit is equal to 0. Now let us further solve this one. So what we got? We got 2 upon 3 minus 12 upon 3, 15 into. Or I can write 15 into 2 minus 12 upon 3 minus 2 into 2 minus 27 upon 3 plus 5 into 2 plus 18 upon 3. Or I can write 15 into 2 minus 12. 2 minus 12 is minus 10 upon 3 minus 2 into 20 minus 25 upon 3 plus 5 into 20 upon 3. Or I can write see, 3 5s are 15 and 5 into minus 10 is minus 50. Then I can write minus 2 into minus 25 is plus 50. plus 50 divided by 3, plus 50 divided by 3. Or let us do one thing, instead of cancelling anything, let us keep the things like that. So 15 into minus 10 is minus 150, minus 150 divided by 3, minus 2 into minus 25 is plus 50, plus 50 by 3, plus 5 20s are 100, 100 divided by 3. Here we have all the denominators as 3. So it would be very easy for us to solve this one now. How to solve? We can write or 150 minus 150 plus 50 plus 100 divided by 3, or minus 150 plus 50 is minus 100, minus 100 plus 100 is 0. So we are getting 0 upon 3. 0 upon 3 is 0. 0 divided by 3 is 0. Therefore, we got left hand side of the equation is equal to 0. And we already have right hand side of the equation as 0. So we can now easily say that we got left hand side of the equation as 0 and we have the right hand side of the equation as 0. So we can say that therefore left hand side is equal to right hand side. Hence this is verified. Hope guys you understood this. This is very simple and very straightforward. Just we need to verify the equation. We need to solve and verify the equation. Guys, still if you have any questions or doubts, please reach out to me in the comment section of this video. Definitely I will get back to you once I see your comments. Guys, if you really like my videos, please subscribe and let your friends know. If you really like my videos, I would request you to kindly subscribe and also let your friends know. This will motivate me to create similar videos in the future. Thank you. Bye.